Hello, my dear Ensar. How are you today? Are you still studying? Today's lesson will be a little different. If you're ready, let's begin. First, close your eyes and start to imagine. Think you're on a train, traveling in a carriage. Think you're watching the scenery through the window. You see cows, goats, horses, and donkeys. How do you feel? It's beautiful, isn't it? Then you pass by a field. You see wheat, corn, and sunflowers there. You also see children playing, and then you see forests. And as the train crosses a bridge, you see rivers and hills. Ensar, think and imagine. From afar, you see small village houses. You see tunnels and bridges. Beautiful, isn't it? You see birds, cows, oxen, calves, lambs, sheep, trees, forests, rivers, seas, and you see the long, endless railway. You feel peaceful and very happy. Outside, snow is falling, and you're drinking hot tea, eating a bread sandwich with meatballs, and watching Kamal Sunal on your tablet. With the choo-choo and chick-chick sounds of the locomotive, you feel so happy. But tell me, Ensar, where is the destination? To the village? To the city? To the town? To the forest? No, Ensar, the destination is eternal happiness. How, you ask? Let me explain. Ensar, at the end of your train journey, you will arrive somewhere, and maybe it will be a very peaceful place. But remember this, it will not last forever. It will end. So what is eternal happiness? You're curious, aren't you? I think you are. Ensar, eternal happiness and eternal peace come only by getting closer to Allah. A person becomes truly happy only when he draws closer to Allah. Now you might say, I wish this train journey would never end, but it will end, and this world will one day die. Ensar, death is real. Death is our greatest future. This world is temporary. Truly temporary. We must be good people. We must never lie. We should always say, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billahil aliyyil azim. Yes, Ensar, we must never drink alcohol, never commit oppression, and never support it. After this world, there is heaven and hell. We must strive to enter heaven. Ensar, we must study hard for both the exam of this world and the exam of the hereafter. If you wish, we can now slowly begin our lesson. Are you ready? Our first lesson will be English question and answer translation. Question 1. A. Why are you late? B. Because the bus was very slow. Question. Why was he late? A. He missed the train. B. The bus was slow. C. He was tired. Answer B. The bus was slow. A. Do you like coffee or tea? B. I prefer tea in the morning. Question. What does he like in the morning? A. Coffee. B. Tea. C. Milk. Answer B. Tea. Question 3. A. Where's my bag? B. It's under the table. Question. Where is the bag? A. On the chair. B. Under the table. C. Next to the door. Answer B. Under the table. Question 4. A. What are you doing? B. I'm reading a book about history. Question. What is he doing? A. He's reading. B. He's sleeping. C. He's cooking. Answer A. He's reading. Question 5. A. Let's go to the park after lunch. B. Good idea. The weather is nice. Question. When will they go to the park? A. Before lunch. B. After lunch. C. At night. Answer B. After lunch. Question 6. A. Is there any milk in the fridge? B. No. But there is some juice. Question. What is in the fridge? A. Milk. B. Juice. C. Water. Answer B. Juice. Question 7. A. How often do you go to the gym? B. I go twice a week. Question. How many times does he go to the gym? A. Once a week. B. Twice a week. C. Every day. Answer B. Twice a week. Question 8. A. Can you help me with this box? B. Sure, it looks heavy. Question. Why does he need help? A. Because it's heavy. B. Because he's lazy. C. Because it's easy. Answer A. Because it's heavy. Question 9. A. What time does the train leave? B. At 7:30. Question. When does the train leave? A. At 6:30. B. At 7:30. C. At 8:30. Answer B. At 7 to 30. Question 10. A. I didn't see you at the party last night. B. Yes, I was at home. I wasn't feeling well. Question. Why didn't he go to the party? A. He was busy. B. He was tired. C. He wasn't feeling well. Answer C. He wasn't feeling well. What do you like to do in your free time? Very successful. How was your day? Makes sense. What kind of music do you listen to? Incredible. Do you have any plans for the weekend? absolutely right. Have you ever been abroad? I understand. How do you usually get to work? Perfect. What are you thinking about? I agree. When did you start learning English? That's true. Do you prefer tea or coffee? Exactly. What do you usually have for breakfast? Well done. House, house, house. Door, door, door. Key, key, key. Lock, lock, lock. Wall, wall, wall. Or floor, or floor, or floor. Ceiling, ceiling, ceiling. Window, window, window. Curtain, curtain, curtain. Le light, le light, le light. Lamp, lamp, lamp. The switch, the switch, the switch. Plug, plug, plug. Socket, socket, socket. Clock, clock, clock. Picture, picture, picture. Mirror, mirror, mirror. Chair, chair, chair. Table, table, table. Carpet, carpet, carpet. Rug, rug, rug. Stairs, stairs, stairs. Roof, roof, roof. Sofa, sofa, sofa. Couch, couch, couch. Armchair, armchair, armchair. Television, television, television. TV, TV, TV. Remote control, remote control, remote control. Bookshelf, bookshelf, bookshelf. Shelf, shelf, shelf. Cushion, cushion, cushion. Blanket, 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 coffee table, coffee table, coffee table, vase, 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 painting, 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 kitchen, 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 fridge, 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 refrigerator, 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 freezer, 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 oven, 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 stove, 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 cooker, 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 microwave, 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 sink, 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 tap, 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 faucet, 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 dish, 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 a bowl, a bowl, a bowl, glass, 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 cup, 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 plate, 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 fork, 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 knife, 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 chair, spoon, chair, spoon, chair, spoon, to pot, to pot, to pot, pan, 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 kettle, 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 toaster, 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 trash can, trash can, trash can, bin, 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 bed, 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 pillow, 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 sheet, 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 mattress, 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 wardrobe, 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 closet, 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 drawer, 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 lamp, 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 alarm clock, alarm clock, alarm clock, mirror, 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 hanger, 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 bathroom, 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 toilet, 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 sink, 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 tap, 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 shower, 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 bathtub, 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 towel, 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 soap, 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 shampoo, 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 toothbrush, 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 toothpaste, 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 mirror, 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 toilet paper, toilet paper, toilet paper, washing machine, washing machine, washing machine, dryer, 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 detergent, 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 fabric softener, fabric softener, fabric softener, laundry basket, laundry basket, laundry basket, iron, 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 ironing board, ironing board, ironing board, garden, 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 balcony, 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 flower, 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 plant, 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 grass, 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 tree, 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 hose, 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 pour a watering can, pour a watering can, pour a watering can, broom, 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 dustpan, 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 mop, 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 bucket, 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 vacuum cleaner, vacuum cleaner, vacuum cleaner, cloth, 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 sponge, 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 take, give, sit, stand up, come, go, run, turn on the computer, turn off, write, erase, prepare, pack, take away, bring, take, give, sit, stand up, come, go, run, turn on the computer, turn off, write, erase, prepare, pack, take away, bring.
Have you had any discipline problems in math class this year?
No.
No? Isn't it true Mr. Geddes has had to talk to you repeatedly about your behavior? Isn't that why he asked you to stay after class?
No.
Have other teachers ever asked you to stay after class?
Once or twice.
Did they want to talk to you about your behavior?
Objection, immaterial.
Goes demoted.
Overruled. You may answer the question.
Well, I don't know what the other teachers wanted. You'd have to talk to them.
You ever pass notes in class, Barbara? Maybe a note that made fun of Mr. Geddes.
No.
No? Never called him a disgusting pig monster.
Order.
No.
Your Honor, I've pre-marked this defense exhibit A.
Objection, Your Honor, we've had plenty of time for discovery here.
I'm gonna let this in, Mr. Lomax. I'm also gonna suggest that if you have any other exhibits you present in a timely fashion or not at all.
I'm sorry, Barbara, I was wrong. It's huge hog beast. This is your handwriting, isn't it?
Yes.
You wrote this in Mr. Geddes' class.
It's a joke.
He's a huge hog beast. He probably eats 1,000 pancakes for breakfast. You're ready to hear about Mr. Geddes, aren't you?
It was meant to be a joke.
Have you ever had a party at your house, Barbara? When your parents were away?
Objection. Your Honor, this is way out of
Credibility and bias.
Overruled. Answer the question.
Yes.
Have you ever heard of a game called Special Places? You're under oath, Barbara. A man's career, his reputation, his life is on the line. This is not a joke. Have you ever played the game Special Places?
Yes.
Is this game sexual in nature? Is this game sexual in nature?
We only played it once.
This special party, Barbara. This was the first time you told the story about Mr. Geddes, wasn't it?
Yes.
I've spoken to some of the other children who were there that day. Can you think of anything else, Barbara, they might have told me about that party?
Your Honor, if he has other witnesses, let him call them.
If I need to call those other children, I will.
Sustain that, Mr. Lomax. Rephrase your question.
You threatened those children, didn't you?
That's not the way it happened.
You told them to lie, to falsely claim that Mr. Geddes had hurt them.
These things did happen.
Because if they didn't go along, you were going to tell everyone about this special party.
They happened to me.
So you made up a story, a special story, a story about a math teacher who was tough on you, who kept you after class, a huge hog beast you didn't like. That's what really happened, isn't it?
No, I didn't want to be the only one.
You goddamn Lomax son of a bitch! You leave her alone! That's enough!
I have no further questions, Your Honor.
I'm going to adjourn here for today. We'll be back here at 9 o'clock in the morning, and people will behave themselves here or find themselves in contempt. Goody!
Let's talk about salary. What are you looking for? What do you know about this organization? Why is there a gap in your work history? What is your biggest failure? How would your boss, supervisors, and co-workers describe you? My dear Ensar, today's lesson ends here. Thank you for everything. Thank you for listening to me, and thank you for listening carefully. In our lesson, we learned new words, new sentences, new stories, new questions, new answers, and new interview questions. Don't forget, we must study very hard. For example, you should watch short films frequently. You should learn a lot of new words. But don't worry, I will help you. I will definitely help you. Believe in yourself. Our first goal is to learn the first 1,500 words. After that, you should start reading English books. For example, you should learn the English names of all countries. You should also know basic words such as master's degree, bachelor's degree, associate degree, high school, middle school, primary school, kindergarten. Also, you need to know words like project engineer, software engineer, electronic engineer, mechanical engineer, civil engineer, development, adapt, report, desk, file, responsibility, and be familiar with them. But never forget this: studying alone is not enough. You must also get plenty of protein. For example, eggs, yogurt, meat, olives, chicken, honey, fish. And what should we stay away from? Pasta, toast, and oily foods. Anyway, my dear Insar, I talked too much again. Sorry about that. Let's slowly wrap it up. Our goal is to reach B2 level. For this, you must study hard and review constantly. Keep improving yourself. Take care of yourself. May God protect you. See you tomorrow at the same time. Study hard, study hard, study hard. May God protect you. Bye-bye.